Hi, welcome back to Days. We are back with a quick sambar recipe today. Let's get started. Into a pressure cooker, add half cup of dal of your choice, 1 large tomato, about 4 lady's finger, 1 large onion sliced, half cup tamarind juice made of a small piece of tamarind, half tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, about a quarter teaspoon fenugreek powder, that is methi, and a half tablespoon salt. Finally, add 2 cups of water to this. Then give it a mix. Now we have to pressure cook this until 5 whistles on high flame. After it cools down, remove the lid and add half teaspoon asafoetida and give it a mix. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a small kadai. Add half teaspoon mustard seeds and half teaspoon fenugreek seeds, 2 dried red chili and 2 sprigs of curry leaves. Now wait till the curry leaves are fried nicely. Pour this into the sambar. Combine everything well. And our quick sambar is ready to serve. We believe you will love this recipe. If so, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more such quick and easy recipes. Thank you for watching.